Alright, hello guys! Hello. Today I'm making a video because I received this thing that is, as you can tell, pretty huge. I expected the size of this, but really not that much. So this is, I had to push all the Legos back because I got no more place in this flat. So I had to push everything, but this is a Lilith Daughter's Hatred statue from Blizzard, coming from the upcoming game at the time I'm making this video, Diablo 4, that is going to, I suppose, be live June 2023. I'm filming this January 2023. So Diablo hasn't been released yet, we only have gameplays and stuff. I'm a huge Diablo fan, not from Diablo 3 obviously, but all the rest, and I hope the fourth Diablo is gonna be cool too. So you got what you find into the trailer. By three they come, by three the way opens, by the blood of the willing we call the home. Hail, daughter of hatred, creator of sanctuary. Hail, Lilith. So that's supposed to be a pretty badass statue. First of all things, this has been available for, let's go back to this, for purchase since July 31st, 2020, from what I remember. So it's been like 2 years and a half since this was released. This is not a limited print, you can have as many as you want. What is crazy is that this is not expensive. This is only, it used to be 500 euros, now I think the same in United States dollars, for example. I'm in Europe, I'm in France, as you can hear, and this is now 600 euros, but you got 10% discount if you agree to receive Blizzard's newsletter. I ordered this like back in October, the 2nd October 2022. It took 3 months and 2 weeks to arrive. After I contacted the customer support twice. From what I know, I've been discussing with people, I'm the only one in this case, right? You should not have a problem. It's been back for pre-order, etc., etc., out of sale, back for pre-order, out of sale. This is the statue itself, the material is industrial product, but the rest is hand painted, which is why I suppose if there's only one person to paint this, you cannot have like 10,000 delivery per day. So alright, we got these things. This has finally arrived. Just so you know, this is really heavy. This is not what you expect, because inside it's resin, metal. Yes, there is metal, there is steel inside this. The core, the bottom, and the core layer things around which the resin is molded is steel, I think. And on the packaging really was perfect. Like, you can keep this absolutely gorgeous box. The packaging is really good. I have the cardboard next to you, but they put like some molded plastic on all the corners, protection, and extra cardboard around this. So yeah, I'm in France. This was delivered as for all Europe from Spain, right in the middle of Spain. I think it's Manila. I don't remember the name of the city, but it's right on the middle of Spain. It's Blizzard Spain. There's a company in Spain that delivers this thing to the whole Europe thing. So this is a European version, because it's the same, but it's been bought on European store by Blizzard, eu.shop.blizzard.com, I think. And yeah, this was ordered 2022, and right now it's January 2023. So this is not a one-piece statue. There's some little work to do. Let's open it. And I think to open it, you need like a bolt cutter and maybe some pinches to remove some arrows. So first thing you want to do is remove this, then open the top, where you get this user manual, which I'm going to open and show you. It's well under plaster, so you have to untie this, and then you got the user manual. So first of all, The statue is designed to separate it from the base easily. Please use caution when moving the unit. Do not attempt to move the unit by lifting the statue body only. Which is true. You can just separate it in two. So if you go for it, you're just going to have like, and it's going to crash. And it's written in all languages, which I do not speak. I can speak German and French, but yeah. So also you've got this, and you got the 5 steps. So you got the layer bottom, which you're gonna do. I hope my phone's going to be making some focus on this. You just put it, then you attach the tail, which is fully plastic. This is resin, metal, plastic. I've seen tons of videos. Then you attach the wings, and then you attach the cranium, and there you go. Let's go. All right. So first of all, things opening this as well, and then comes a problem. You have to tilt the box, I think, because otherwise, maybe not. I know, I'm gonna have to lay it on the bottom between my feet because you got things to grab it here. Yeah. Of course, this suction from the air is preventing you from lifting it. I don't want to go too fast on this. There you go. Good. And then you can put it back here. And I hope I didn't put styrofoam everywhere, because I would hate that, but it seems pretty neat. So I'll keep the empty box for transportation, and I think that's gonna be all. So now we need some box cutter experience. This was brand new also, and quite solid. So I'm gonna do openings here. Openings here, openings here, here again. Because if I just remove the duct tape, I really know there's gonna be styrofoam everywhere. And I don't have cats, but I would hate that even though, nevertheless. So, alright, let's do this, and this again. So you guys can see my back. Got a pretty neat hoodie. Right. So then, alright, first part. There's something here. There's something here. Alright. So, good. I got no idea how this is supposed to open, so. Alright, so I think this is designed to be like that. And of course, even the styrofoam has the Blizzard Entertainment logo. Which I'm going to do now is I'm going to maybe keep that open as is. Alright, thank you. So, of course, do not eat this gel. I'm going to take the parts away and put them. This is really heavy, what the hell? And put them on the table. So, this is how you get the surrounding. They added extra styrofoam here, which I'm going to put in place. Fragile. Oh really? Is it? Who would have thought so? Jeez, that's gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so removing all these parts. All this is Alright. This is really solid resin. What the fuck is this? I'm gonna push these. Gonna push these two. Alright. Gonna put them back in place. It smells weird. It smells like. What does it smell like? It smells like shampoo or something that has to be eaten. Alright, and there is extra styrofoam part in the bottom. I'm gonna put this on my bed. Don't move. So this is done, part 1, and then I gotta get the rest. We got some wing action here that you can remove on the paper, putting the wings here, and a wing here, this is taped to. Yep. Good. Putting the wing here. paper back in place, and then the bottom, which is it's kind of heavy. This is 95% of the weight. So how do you? Alright, so you just put it gently, and you're fine. This is. I told you this is metal. This is. Jeez, the details are crazy. And there's a little hairy plastic fold in here. Something like here. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Ugh. I'm gonna put it here. So now we got everything out. I'm going to close this. Oh wait. I'm going to get the tail plastic too. I'm going to keep 100% of the plastic. Even though this was on the other side, it's fine. And Diablo's cranium. You can stick here. Alright. Good. And finally, you can replace that into the box here. It's going to be a pain in the ass, but I'm going to do it. There you go. Whee! Back in place. Alright. There is still styrofoam all across my flat, but I'm fine with that. So I'm closing this. And now, I've got the box here. Let's take the box to the correct placement. So, what they say is first, you take the bottom, which is that. The bottom is really heavy. LG 4215. And you see, the bottom. This is just plain metal resin stuff. It's super heavy. So, then you put the core of the statue on the top of it. And there is a sense, I believe, from here. There is a sense of a say. Oh, you can choose the orientation? No, you cannot, because, wait, if I put that here, it's not gonna hold right, is it? Ah, this is the meant to be, I think. Let me see, let me check. Yeah, you're supposed to have this part front, and this is, you can see, on the right. So, I believe you can change the orientation, because this fits here, and maybe on the bottom here too. So, jeez, this is hand painted, it's crazy. There's little styrofoam everywhere, but I gotta use my thing to pump it up. Right, so, then you would attach the tail. Oops, the tail has been taken into that. I thought there was something that was hidden between, so I didn't these. So, you put the tail on the back here. Let me turn it around. So, you got a little part here that it goes into. And that's the only thing that needs to be set in place, not pushing too hard. This is plastic, with plastic. Oh yeah, there's a little hole in the bottom too, so it goes inside perfectly. All right. So once you've done this, you attach the bottom, and then you go for the wings. Taken them in any order, no order. So this goes on the left. And it has, oh no, this is not the left, this is the right. The wings are up. Jeez, that is really, like really, wings don't go up actually, I'm stupid. Let's go like that, it's just, it doesn't look like what it is. Yes. Alright, wing number one. There is this weird thing around it, so it says five angles. There's a weird non-regular pentagon, so yeah. Of course it's a pentagon. What do you expect it to be? It's a devil. So you just push them inside. Alright, you can push them pretty far, and then they hold. So then you turn the statue back away. And last part is Diablo's cranium, which you're going to put into her hands. You got 2 holes here, and they just hold in place. And there you go. This is perfect. Alrighty. I'm gonna put this back into the box. Get into. And that's all. Jesus, guys, this statue is absolutely insane. When you move it, it's just a little movement here, but it's fine. It just moves 1 centimeter, but it doesn't really tilt. You can tilt 1 or 2 millimeters. So wait, I gotta remove this styrofoam. Could go for a brush, but there's some here. Just go away. And there you go from styrofoam. I think I got all of it. This maybe need a pencil. Wait. Up. I think I got an old cleaning pencil somewhere. There you go. I got the old cleaning pencil here. There's some here. Some on the front. Something here is not completely perfect. Like a small drop of paint here. That is really like 1 centimeter, not more. Alright, got it. Guys, the details are absolutely amazing. For 500 euros, if this was done by, I don't know, Sideshow Collectibles or anyone, this would be just like 1,000 at least. Like the eyes you cannot see, but I'm gonna take my phone now and put you through. So let me show you. Let me show you a little more details of what you get. This is insane details. Look at that. What the hell? You see that little drop I was talking about? I think this was not done on purpose, but it's fine. Would you look at the gorgeous... Is it chocolate? Is it blood? Is it leather? You don't really know. She's supposed to be walking on this path. She's got some heavy apparel on her. The braces, the waist, the wings, of course. Look at these wings. Focus. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Let me show you the back, if I can turn her around. Again, this is really, really heavy. The say is 6 kilograms, I think, something 6 or 7 kilograms. Look at this. Look at the head, the top, the mount. Look at what you put the wings into. You don't barely see the seal and the links. You see. This is half transparent here. You can see behind. You can see through it. Right. The tail, the whatever it is. Is it a vertebral spine or something? With this, is it going to attack us with that, like sting you in the face? So again, this really reminds me of something else. These wings, like, do you remember this guy? Do you remember the Kerrigan version of StarCraft when she's infected by the Zerg? There's really something into that, you know. Even though Chris Metzen and all the people drawing this are gone, it still works. Ugh. So moving it requires a little strength. Ugh. So again, look at that. And there are small light splits. And the color, when you look at the color here, it's just the details. Bro, that is something. What the fuck? The level of... Look at all the details on the cranium here. Oh boy. The runes here. Is there any rune we can guess from Diablo? No, we cannot. Alright, so overall, I'm gonna stop here. This is such a gorgeous product, and it's really really high. As you can see, it's not a small statue. Like it's, jeez, it's really large. It's really heavy too. But I'm so happy about it. Bye guys, I hope you liked it. This was Lilith. I hope you're gonna be a good game. I hope Diablo 4 is gonna be a good game. I hope everything's gonna be a decent, super cool game. See you everyone. Let's go.